Dozens of states now say they can hold Facebook and Instagram responsible for the mental health crisis among America's teens, and it's a big crisis. The lawsuit says while Meta consistently reassures parents, lawmakers, and users that its social media platforms are suitable for young users and designed to promote their well-being, it, meaning Facebook, continues to develop and implement features that it knows induce young users extended addictive and compulsive social media use. Meta's platforms, Facebook and Instagram, are both in the top 5 of most used social media, and combined are reaching almost 6 billion users worldwide, a lot of them kids. Basically every teenager. 95% age 13 to 17 use social media. The other 5% lie. 1 in 3 report they use it almost constantly, with the average time spent online is 5 hours a day. So the mental health toll is not surprising. Employment attorney Andrew Lieb is here. Andrew, appreciate you being here. This is, I don't think anybody can doubt that there's parts of social media that are designed to hit the dopamine receptors. Can you connect that, and can these attorney generals and states connect that to the mental health crisis among America's teens?
Leland, they have done just that. There's 233 pages of this complaint that details specifically, just for these 33 states, setting aside 9 other states' attorneys generals, that's going to be 42 total, that are going to bring cases in those states. What's going on here is that we know that suicide is increased by 13.5%. We have eating disorders by 17%. And these sites like Meta's Instagram and Meta's Facebook, they promote body dysmorphia. And how do they do body dysphoria? They give all these different filters that you could do so you could look like someone totally different. It's fraud, it's deception. This is consumer protection, Leland.
Yeah, no, I think it's interesting is that a lot of these cases, or this, a lot of the way this case is being done in these states, aren't being sued by the attorney generals. The attorney generals have contracted out to product liability attorneys to, what we would commonly say ambulance chasers on contingencies. So they're gonna get these huge fines against Facebook. Say the lawyers get a third in these contingency agreements. Fine, that's business. But in the end, it feels like it's not going to really change anything, and it probably is just going to hurt the shareholders of Facebook. And sure, that's Mark Zuckerberg, but that's a lot of people who have 401ks and have S&P 500 index funds and everybody else who get punished along the way.
What a valid concern. And we don't want to punish everyone along the way. When I say we, us as a society. But what you're missing here is that this is asking for an injunction as well, changing their behavior. It's not just that Facebook, Instagram, the Meta company, it's not just that they have this dopamine algorithm, that they use likes, that they target children during school hours or at night. It's not just that they have the filters I talked about before. It's that they know they cause suicide and body shame issues, and they do it anyway. The issue is that they know better, and they're skirting the law. There's laws about child online protection for under 13. It's $50,000 plus per violation. They're just ignoring it. They're thumbing their nose at the government. So what the government's doing is they're bringing in knowledge-based specialists that know how to deal with this. And I think it's a good idea to always have specialization of labor and outsource to people we know best. That's what capitalism's all about.
Yeah, and capitalism is about skirting the rules too until you get caught. Andrew, thank you very much. We appreciate it. We'll follow the lawsuits. Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.